Today I'm going to show you how to sign into CapCut with a QR code, step by step, so you can get logged in quickly without typing everything manually. This is a super easy method, especially if you already have the CapCut app on your phone and want a faster way to connect your account on desktop. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left side of the screen and click Sign In. This will open the login options for your CapCut account. From here, you want to choose Use QR Code. This tells CapCut that you want to log in by scanning a code with your phone instead of entering your email and password manually. After that, keep the QR code visible on your computer screen. Now pick up your phone and open the CapCut app there as well. Make sure you're signed in on your mobile app because that's what you'll use to scan the code. On your phone, tap Scan. Once the scan option opens, point your camera at the QR code showing on your computer screen. Hold it steady so the code is detected properly. As soon as CapCut recognizes the QR code, it will begin the login process automatically. In just a few seconds, your desktop CapCut app should confirm the sign-in and connect your account. If it doesn't work right away, just make sure the QR code is still visible, your phone has permission to use the camera, and both apps are updated. Once you're signed in, you can start editing, syncing projects, and accessing your account across devices much more easily. So that's the full process for signing into CapCut with a QR code. Quick, simple, and very convenient. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.